All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of long nose pliers. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. Firstly, remove the 2 screws on the rear holding the washing machine lid in place. Then remove the lid and place it to one side. The spring is located here on the side of the dispenser drawer. Simply remove it with your long nose pliers. Now you can unpackage your new dispenser drawer spring. To install, simply slide it into the slot with the tab at the bottom. Gently press down and click it into place. Now reattach the washing machine lid and making sure this clicks into place. Rescrew the 2 screws on the rear that hold the lid in place. And that's it, your new washing machine dispenser drawer spring is all set to go.